Hi everyone, it's Dan. Welcome back. And tonight I'm going to make some homemade mac and cheese. I had some Annie's mac and cheese a couple nights ago, but I decided to do something a little more homemade. And instead of cheddar flavor, we are going to have ourselves something a little different. First thing to do is get 1 liter of water to a boil, add 1 tablespoon of salt, and then add 100 grams of pasta using shells. We'll give this a little quick stir. No speaking. And we'll let that go for 8 to 10 minutes. Next is to start our sauce. Heat that up real quick. Okay, I put it down to medium. Now we are going to help bloom a little bit of our pepper spice with the help of a little bit of butter. We are going to add 5 milliliters, or pretty much a single teaspoon of butter, along with half a teaspoon of black pepper. Just stir it a little, mix. We are going to add a 1/4 cup of this and some more butter. Tablespoon more. That's pretty much melted. We'll take this off the heat for a bit. Give another little stir. Instead of using milk, whole milk as it's called, cow milk or whatever, I used pretty much this one. Okay, pasta is done, and I've also reserved half a cup of that pasta water. You will see why in just a minute. 35 grams of Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. First though, let's get our pasta nice and coated with this. Nice and coated. Now to add our cheese. Only a little bit at a time though. This is why we have the water, just in case. And we want to put this down to where it's like maybe more of a simmer temperature. We don't want the cheese to get hard, stringy, tough. You can judge if you need any water. Add a bit more cheese in here. Okay, tiny bit of water, not much, but a little. Salty, starchy dishes. And maybe a tiny bit more water and then a bit more cheese. Well, we can pretty much do the rest of this cheese now, I think. There. And there is the finished product.
Excellent.